5?
I did 6. And today we're going to the National Museum.
What are we going to do in National Museum?
Finding one Luna's art. And we have a special guest waiting outside. Hurry up! The special guest is waiting for us. He came from Singapore. Come on, guys, let's go. He is in here. The guest is here. So you have to stay quiet and surprise him. Come on, let's go.
Today, we're going to
National Museum.
Very good.
So who is our special guest?
Si Roji.
You just call him Roji? Who is Roji?
The working guy.
The working guy.
He's from Singapore.
No, he is your...
Nino.
He is your Ninong.
Bar.
Today, we will be going to National Wow.
We're on the way to the National Museum. But it's so hard to park, so we're gonna just grab.
What's that?
In 2026, if we have a lot of money, we can buy this car. Look, oh Papa, it has many seats.
That's Lapu-Lapu. Single sila Lapu-Lapu. And then that is the Luneta Park. Where kasi there's like a shot.
That's Lapu-Lapu.
That's so big. Is your favorite hero, di ba? Why is that Lapu-Lapu is your favorite hero?
Because he fought for us.
Really?
Yeah.
Sino yung natalo niya?
Si Magellan.
Anong ginamit niya pampatay kay Magellan?
A small mace that can kill 7 people. We are here in the National Museum.
Thanks, Kuya.
Hi guys, welcome to the National Museum. Good morning po. Nakalito sa ako, sir. Sir, nandito siya mag-take for no lunch, no lunch pa tayo. Saan po kayo ba sa research area? Can I check your bag?
Sure po.
Stay po kayo muna sa other side.
Si Manuel Rojas. He was the president of the Philippines.
No!
This is Rafaela.
Look at the art!
This is the Spolario. This is the one that Juan Luna painted. Yeah.
You found it right away!
Okay. So this was... That's...
June 19.
Yeah, that was his birthday. Diba? Same kami ng birthday.
Pa, look at your front.
Jose Rizal made this one for his wife. He made it as a gift.
You know that one?
Yeah. So that is Josephine Brack.
And then Dr. Rizal.
That's Dr. Jose Rizal. This one. What is this?
That's Ninong Bar.
What's this?
It's like Manita.
Si Mamita? Oh. Why? That's your future wife. Painting of Fernando Amorsolo. What?
My future friend.
Oh, Zion. This is the first president of the Philippines, Emilio Aguinaldo.
And this one is Emmanuel Perez. So he was the one who killed General Luna.
Who ordered?
Yeah.
This is Jose Laurel.
Journey.
Future you. Ito na si ano? Si Andres Bonifacio. The one in the middle. That is Jose Rizal. Andres Bonifacio. And this is Emilio Aguinaldo. You remember them, right? This one is Padre Mariano Gomez, the member of Gomburza. Parang gwapo naman ni Antonio Julio.
Nakikita yung
Zion. Zion, look at this. Do you know who's this person? Juan Luna.
Oh yeah.
He's the one who...
Zion, painted the Spolarium, right?
Yeah.
Zion, this is me.
What? What do you mean?
That is Apolinario Mabini. Oh. Who's Apolinario Mabini? The genius guy. What's their favorite? Appreciate them. So this one is Colonel Salvador. Colonel. This is EDSA, Epifanio de los Santos. What's that? Your favorite hero? Lapu-Lapu? Anak, that's not Lion King.
Sunday skies, cardigan, 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 smile wide and free. Sabrina Carpenter on your face.
Tama. Is that the hammer from the car?
No, it's a Jisoo fan.
Sweet harmony.
This is what you call oregano. Same word.
Wow.
If you have cough, you drink oregano. Huh? See? Rami.
Asan oregano?
Ninopar is wrong. This one then, laurel.
No. It's kahoy dalaga. Kahoy dalaga.
Something oregano carry. Ano yung suwa?
Suha ba yan? This is pipino.
This is my favorite. It's very yes.
Ako sa garilyo.
Mary Jane.
Uy, ninang par! Ninang par! Ninang par! Ninang par!
Dr. Jose Rizal can speak like multiple languages.
From English to Filipino to Spanish.
We'll go to the other museum. La 40 pesos. Tama ba? Ano binili mo? Ay, gusto ko binili.
Ito yata.
Yan na nga. Magkano po sa kwek-kwek?
Sino?
Dalawa po. Ah, yun na, yun na. Green light. Anak, green light. But it's only for like 1 sec. What? Ayan. Tumakbo tapos pagtakbo. Ha? What?
42 seconds.
The National Museum of Anthropology. Gusto mo tissue?
Kaibigan, ngayon po, namamataan po natin malaking pagbago.
Ito tinatawag na kalakalanggal yun. It is the trading system before. So parang mga international trade ko.
OMG, I remember this thing. We were using it before.
Ha?
I think a sumo wrestler can fit in here.
Sumo wrestler can fit in here? You know, there is... May coins?
May coin?
Uh-huh.
And Papa is there.
There, Ninong Paro.
It's not a tennis, anak. It's a fishnet.
Oh, the sword then.
Oh, choose your weapon, baby. Oh, what weapon would you choose?
This one.
This is what
Si
Lapu-Lapu.
Kisame to.
This is what Lapu-Lapu is using. This one.
Oh, this is Bolo. Which one? The small one. Pala yung sword na ginamit ni ano.
Lapu-Lapu.
Ni
Yeah?
Lapu-Lapu, that one, oo. That's the Bolo.
Who is
Here's
using
a-
that sword? Baby, me.
Huh?
Maybe I'm using that sword.
Look at that, oh. That's the
There's a word happening. I'm gonna use that knife.
oh, that's so big.
It's the way they dance. Like,
What about this one?
This one is... Ano po yun, sir?
Fire, you and Daddy.
get down, there's a board.
Look at the ano. Look at that board. Because meron siyang ano dito. Tawag dyan, flag.
What is that? That's all for Papa Vlog. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, pwede dito ka pa din. Sabi ko na bye-bye kasi.